Arms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Pixel 7 for Visible by Verizon. So the Pixel 7 is now here at Visible, so it's currently up for pre-orders as I'm recording this video. So the new Pixels are here. So this is what the Pixel 7 looks like here. It's available in the obsidian color, and that's the only color option. Actually, scratch that. You have 3 color options. You have the obsidian color, snow, and lemon grass, which is interesting. It's like a greenish color, I guess. So, it looks like the Pixel 6 from last year. So, if you guys are familiar with the Pixel 6, this will be familiar to you. So you guys have your front there, hole pointer, your front facing camera there, power button, and volume keys on the right side of the phone. You have it in-display fingerprint sensor. So yeah, there's the right side power button, volume keys. There's a closer look at it there if you guys could see that. The camera just stuck out just a bit down the back, so be mindful of that. And there's the back of the Pixel 7, dual camera setup, camouflage, Google logo, and it has like a two-tone color back there, which is pretty nice. It's like a dark grayish black color, which is very nice. So I'll show you guys in the 3 color options I have here. That's the obsidian. There's the snow version, which is like a white color, snow white. Get it? Then you guys have a lemon grass color, which honestly I can't tell the difference. Honestly, personally, I just can't tell the difference. So that's what all 3 colors looks like there on the back. You'll have 2 storage options, 128 gigs for $5.99 or 256 gigs, $6.99. So you guys can also pay monthly for the phone, $24.96 a month for 24 months for the 128 gigabyte version, or $29.13 a month for 24 months for the 256 gigabyte version if you guys want to pay monthly with the firm. So you guys do have options there. And I suggest you guys get insurance for your Pixels there. So yeah, and you can trade it in your device if you guys want to and stuff like that. Features: it says meet Pixel 7 powered by Google Tensor G2. It's fast and secure. It's fast and secure with amazing battery life, and the advanced Pixel camera take beautifully authentic, accurate photos with real tone and stunning video with cinematic blur, and with the certified Titan M2 security chip and a built-in VPN. Pixel helps protect your personal data. Says be sure to update your device to the latest software version. Check settings for available updates if any. That's pretty much. But that's pretty much a no-brainer there. This is a 5G compatible device. Click here to learn more about Visible's plans for 5G. If you guys have the Visible Plus plan, you guys can roam on the Visible Plus plan. Says good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you are on the right plan and your passport is up to date. So yeah. Specs: display 6.3 inches, 20:9 aspect ratio, Full HD plus 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. It's OLED for 16 ppi. The Pixel 7 weighs 6.9 ounces. Dimensions: 6.1 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.3 inches depth. It takes a nano SIM card, and it also has eSIM support as well. It runs Android 13, 50 megapixel octa PDA quad Bayer wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Alright, pretty interesting. Front camera 10.8 megapixels, 92.8 degrees ultra wide field of view there. Google Tensor G2 processor, Titan M2 security code processor there. 8 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 128 storage, beyond 24 hours of battery life, up to 72 hours of battery life of the extended battery saver. 4355 milliamp battery, fingerprint under the display, fingerprint, 5G sub-6. You do have roaming if you guys have the Visible Plus plan. What's in the box is a 1 meter USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM tool. If you guys want more information about the Pixel 7, I will have those linked down below. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Pixel 7. It's now visible by Verizon. Y'all notice I said visible by Verizon in this video. I didn't say visible wireless at all. I said invisible a couple of times, but y'all guys know what I mean. Yeah, so the Pixel 7 is now here at Visible Wireless. See, I just said it, so yeah. It will happen though. So I said Visible Wireless. So yeah, the Pixel 7 is here, like I said. If you guys are looking to get a flagship Pixel, the Pixel 7 is worth taking a look at here. Very nice looking phone, great features, great specs, and yeah, the phone looks very nice. So if you guys are familiar with the Pixel 6, the Pixel 7 will be familiar to you. So yeah, check it out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.